Hello everyone, let us complete the previous questions of mathematics national examination for grade 8. We have left question number 31 to 40. Let us proceed. The next question. The next question here, what you see, it says the following figure shows the graph of an equation denoted by L on the Cartesian coordinate plane. So which of the following equation represent the graph L? So just this kind of question, by observing you can answer it. The first thing, the line is slanted to the left. That means up to the left, as you see, and down to the right. And it passes through the origin. Mostly, if the line is slanted to the right and passes through the origin, it will be written y is equal to mx. The m must be positive here. But if it is slanted to the left, and if it passes through the origin, the equation of the line must be y is equal to just mx, but the m must be negative. So which choice contain this one? The choice B. If you see choice C, the slope is positive, that is positive 2. But C, it's negative 1 here, because the line is slanted to the left. But the other choice doesn't work, because they contain plus 2 and minus 1. In general, equation of line, which passes through the origin, it has to be only mx. There should not be plus number. So A and D completely doesn't work. We do have two choices, B or C, but we will decide by observing how the line is slanted. The line is inclined to the left, so the slope has to be negative. So the answer will be B. When you go to the next question, it is asking you what is the sum of the interior angle of a decagon. Decagon means it is 10-side figure. So that the formula for sum of interior angle is n in bracket, let us correct it. The formula to find sum of angle is n minus 2 times 180 degree. Now our n is 10. So 10 minus 2 means it's just 8. 8 multiplied with 180. When you multiply 8 times 0, you know it's 0. And 8 times 8 will be 64. Write 4 here and keep 6 up. And 8 times 1 will be 8 plus 6, 14. So 1440, the answer is going to be found in A. The next one, question number 3. It says, which of the following is correct about convex and concave polygon? First of all, let us try to identify the difference between. Okay, so concave polygon means it is a polygon, at least one of the angle must be greater than 180 degree. For example, I can draw a polygon like this. Look, this polygon is a concave polygon because one of the angle, as you see, it is greater than 180. So this kind of polygon, we call it concave polygon. So which choice is found here? The choice C. Look, concave polygon has at least one interior angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree. So this is clear definition will be given in, clear definition is given already in the textbook. So the answer is going to be C. Okay, the next one, question number 34. What does it say? The value of pi. The value of pi is the ratio of dash and dash. This one also its definition. Pi means the ratio of circumference over diameter. You can check it. The circumference of a circle, it is 2 pi r. And the diameter of a circle is 2r. Because diameter, if you have a circle, the diameter means 2 radius. So if you cancel r with r and 2 by 2, what left? Pi left. So the definition of pi is the ratio of circumference to diameter. So the answer is it has to be C. That is question number 34. 35. Question number 35, what does it say? It says the base of a right prism is right angle triangle whose legs are 6 and 8. That means we can, let us try to draw it. It is a prism, the base is right angle triangle. It's a type of like this one. And the altitude is already given to you 8. And the base, this triangle, it's right angle triangle, and the two legs are 8 and 6 given to us already. But the altitude is not 8. The altitude is given to you 12. Let us rub it and correct it. This altitude is 12 already. It's here. Therefore, what is the volume? We know volume is equal to area base times height. The height is clearly visible, but the area base is the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, since it is right angle triangle, we can take half times 8 times 6, because 8 and 6 are the legs and they are perpendicular. We can take them as a base and the height. So cancel the 2 here. It will be 4. 4 times 6 will be 24. Now we have got the area base, which will be 24, then multiply with 12. So it is 24 means 12 times 2, you know, systematically. Then 12 times 12 is 144. Then multiply by 2, 288. So the answer is going to be C. This is question number 35. When you go to question number 36, what does the question says? What does this question says? It is linear equation, but having denominator. So you can use in different ways. You can use crisscross, or you can use LCM method. What is the LCM of the denominator number? The denominator numbers are 2 and 3. The LCM of the two numbers is 6. So we can multiply each of them by 6. The first term by 6, and the second one also by 6, and the last one also we can multiply by 6. Okay, let us rub it because it's somehow mixed. Let us try to make it clear. If we use LCM method, it will be 2x over 3 multiplied by 6 plus x over 2 also will be multiplied by 6 is equal to 7 also multiplied by 6. Here when you multiply by 6, the 3 cancel. 2 times 2 will be 4x, plus here also by 2 3, and 3 times x will be 3x is equal to 42. Then the sum will be 7x. 7x is equal to 42 means if you divide both sides by 7, the value of x will be 6. So the answer will be B. This is question number 36. Okay, the next question, it is question number 37. What does it say? A football team won 4 times as many games as it lost. That means the loss, if it is x, the winning will be 4x. Okay, immediately you have to state this one. A football team won 4 times as many games as it lost. If the loss is x, the winning games will be 4x. Then what? How many games did it lose? If it played total 35 games, that means the sum of the two is 35 already. That means the sum of the two means it is 5x. 5x is equal to 35 means when you divide by 5 both sides, you'll get the x value is equal to 7. That means the x is already the loss. So how many games they lost? 7 games. The answer will be B. The next question, question number 38, it says, what is the simplified form of 512, 0.1515, 0.512? This can be written 512 over 1000 in the cube root. Then separately, when you think 512 means it's just 8 cubed, so it will be 8 when it comes out, and 1000 will be 10 when it comes out from the square root. So 8 over 10 means it's 0.8. So the answer will be D. You can check it. The next question, what you see here, question number 39, it is asking you whether the two triangles are similar or not. Yes, they are similar, because here 90 degree there, here also there is 90 degree, one angle congruent, and the other here 35 means to know the third angle from 90 degree you need to subtract 35 one, because the sum of these two angles it has to be 90, because the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If one of the angle 90, the sum of the two must be 90. So we know this one 35. So to know the second one here, we have to minus it. When you take the difference, it's going to be 55. So this will be 55. So one of the angle here is 55. So this 55 means it's also here 55 degree. So that the two triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity theorem. So they are similar by angle-angle similarity theorem. So the answer is going to be A. Now we are going to go to the last